No, Daddy's not going to the moon. He's inflating the tire on the lawnmower.
Why?
Because he needs it to have air in order to mow the lawn.
Because
Yeah, you're not supposed to be sitting on there, but you look too cute for Mommy to yell at you.
Why?
Cause you look too cute for me to yell at you. Are you a cutie pie? Smile. Just smile nice. What did you learn at school today?
We paint our foot.
You painted your feet?
No, we did that. We did paint. Something's coming off that one. I just got boo-boo. I just got boo-boo, Mommy.
You just picked it off and ate it?
I have a boo-boo.
No, you must stay inside.
I have flip-flops on.
No, Daddy's mowing the lawn. You have to stay inside.
Oh, you laugh.
Yes, you do. Don't make me come after you. Watch him out the window. You can't go.